In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language or dialect setting in Grammarly so it perfectly matches your writing style. This is a handy feature that ensures your writing is consistent, whether you're relying on American, British, Canadian, Australian, or Indian English standards. Whether you're working directly in your browser or using Grammarly's desktop app, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. Let's kick things off by looking at how to do this in your browser or editor. Start by going to Grammarly's Account Settings page. You can easily access this by clicking on your profile icon, which should be located at the top right corner of the Grammarly dashboard. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the section labeled Language Preference. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that includes several English varieties. Simply select the one that aligns with your writing style. Whether it's American, British, Canadian, Australian, or Indian English, choose the option that best fits your needs. By doing this, you're telling Grammarly which rules it should apply when checking your text. This means adhering to the spelling, grammar, and punctuation conventions specific to that dialect, like writing color for British English or realize with a Z for American English. Now, if you prefer using Grammarly's app on your Windows or Mac computer, the steps are slightly different but just as simple. Start by finding and clicking the Grammarly icon, which is generally located in your system tray or menu bar. Once you click on it, look for the Settings option. This might also be represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click there. Under the Customization tab, you'll find an option or drop-down menu that says I write in. From this menu, you can select your preferred English dialect. It's a straightforward setup that immediately makes Grammarly adapt to your chosen standard. Lastly, let's cover the browser extension for Grammarly, which offers a convenient route for frequent users. First, click on the Grammarly icon found in your browser's toolbar. Once the small menu appears, look for the gear icon or the area labeled Settings. After clicking there, you should see an option labeled Language Preference, or I write in. As with the other methods, you can now select the dialect that corresponds to your specific needs by choosing from the list provided. Now, you're all set. With these preferences in place, Grammarly will automatically use the dialect's spelling, grammar, and punctuation conventions that you've selected. This way, your writing remains consistent and clear across all your documents, presentations, or wherever you deploy your writing. Remember, these settings can be changed whenever you need, so feel free to adjust them as your projects demand or as your audience changes. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!